Warm-up question 1. Question: Can you tell me a bit about yourself? Suggested answer: Absolutely. I'm a dedicated healthcare professional with over number of years of experience. My career has provided me with valuable opportunities in diverse medical settings, including mention relevant experience. My primary focus is on delivering the highest quality of care to patients while continually advancing my skills and knowledge. This answer serves as a well-structured and professional response to the question, allowing the interviewee to effectively introduce themselves, highlight their experience, and express their passion for the role. Keep in mind that the interviewee should personalize the response to align with their unique experiences and the specific job they're interviewing for. Warm-up question 2. This is the second question in the interview, meant to serve as an initial conversation starter. Question: What motivated you to pursue a career in healthcare? This is the actual question being asked. It's a common interview question that seeks to understand the interviewee's motivations and the driving factors behind their choice of a career in healthcare. Suggested answer: This part offers a sample response for the interviewee to use in answering the question. It's a thoughtful and meaningful response that explains the interviewee's motivation for pursuing a healthcare career. Let's break down the answer. My motivation to pursue a career in healthcare stems from a genuine desire to make a positive impact on people's lives. This part immediately provides insight into the interviewee's primary motivation, which is the desire to have a positive influence on others' well-being. It highlights the altruistic aspect of working in healthcare. I've always believed that compassionate care and medical expertise can bring about significant improvements in the well-being of individuals. This part expands on the motivation by emphasizing the interviewee's belief in the power of compassionate care and medical knowledge to enhance the lives of patients. It underscores their commitment to both the emotional and clinical aspects of healthcare. This suggested answer is a well-articulated and heartfelt response to the question, what motivated you to pursue a career in healthcare? It effectively communicates the interviewee's deep-seated motivation and the values that drive their interest in healthcare. However, it's important for the interviewee to make the response genuine and reflective of their personal motivations and experiences in healthcare. Warm-up question 3. This is the third question in the interview and is designed to encourage the interviewee to share a challenging patient case and explain how they handled it. Question: Could you share an example of a challenging patient case you've encountered and how you handled it? This is the actual question being asked, and it's a common interview question in healthcare settings. It aims to assess the interviewee's ability to handle complex and challenging patient situations and their communication and problem-solving skills. Suggested answer: This part provides a sample response that the interviewee could use to answer the question. The suggested answer offers a concise and professional way to discuss a challenging patient case. Let's break down the answer. Certainly, one memorable case involved a patient with briefly describe the condition. This part serves as the introduction to the challenging patient case. It sets the stage by mentioning the patient's condition without going into excessive detail. It was challenging due to the complex nature of the illness and the emotional toll it took on the patient and their family. This part highlights the key challenges of the case, such as the complexity of the patient's condition and the emotional impact on both the patient and their family. I focused on effective communication, providing emotional support, and collaborating closely with the healthcare team to ensure the best possible care. This part outlines the interviewee's approach to handling the case. It emphasizes the importance of effective communication, offering emotional support, and teamwork in delivering high-quality care. Overall, the suggested answer provides a structured and concise response to the question about a challenging patient case. It showcases the interviewee's ability to recognize and address complex medical and emotional challenges while working effectively within a healthcare team. The interviewee should personalize their response based on their own experiences and the specific case they wish to discuss. Warm-up question 4. This is the fourth question in the interview and is focused on the interviewee's approach to staying current with developments in their field. Question: How do you stay updated with the latest developments in your field? This is the actual question being asked. It's a common interview question in healthcare and many other fields. It aims to gauge the interviewee's commitment to professional development and their strategies for keeping their knowledge and skills up to date. Suggested answer. This part provides a sample response that the interviewee could use to answer the question. The suggested answer outlines a proactive approach to staying updated in the healthcare field. Let's break down the answer. Staying updated in the field of healthcare is essential to provide the best care. This part acknowledges the importance of staying current in healthcare and sets the context for the answer. I regularly attend conferences, read medical journals, and participate in relevant online courses. This part describes specific actions taken by the interviewee to stay informed. Attending conferences, reading medical journals, and taking online courses are common ways for healthcare professionals to access the latest information and research in their field. I also engage in discussions with colleagues to exchange knowledge and experiences. This part highlights the collaborative aspect of professional development. Engaging in discussions with colleagues can provide insights and practical knowledge from the experiences of others in the same field. Overall, the suggested answer provides a well-rounded response to the question of how the interviewee stays updated with the latest developments in healthcare. It demonstrates a proactive and multifaceted approach to professional development. However, it's important for the interviewee to adapt their response to their own practices and preferences for staying current in their specific healthcare discipline. Warm-up question 5. This is the fifth question in the interview and focuses on the interviewee's strengths as a healthcare professional. Question. What are your strengths as a healthcare professional? This is the actual question being asked. It's a common interview question that aims to assess the interviewee's self-awareness and their ability to identify and articulate their strengths as they pertain to the healthcare field. Suggested answer. This part provides a sample response that the interviewee could use to answer the question. The suggested answer highlights specific strengths that are relevant to a healthcare professional. Let's break down the answer. I believe my strengths lie in my strong communication skills, attention to detail, and the ability to remain calm under pressure. This part starts with a list of key strengths. It mentions strong communication skills, attention to detail, and the ability to stay composed in high-pressure situations. These strengths are important in healthcare for clear patient communication, accurate record-keeping, and effective crisis management. I'm dedicated to delivering patient-centered care. This part emphasizes the interviewee's commitment to providing patient-centered care, which is a critical aspect of quality healthcare. And I'm highly adaptable in different healthcare settings. This part underscores the interviewee's adaptability, indicating their ability to thrive in various healthcare environments. Overall, the suggested answer provides a concise and focused response to the question about the interviewee's strengths as a healthcare professional. It highlights qualities and abilities that are valued in the healthcare field. However, it's important for the interviewee to personalize their response based on their own strengths and experiences. They should be prepared to provide specific examples to support these strengths during the interview. These warm-up questions and answers are designed to help you prepare for the speaking section of the OET by allowing you to introduce yourself and discuss your motivations, experiences, and skills in a clear and concise manner. Unlock the secret to mastering OET speaking and help your friends soar to success by